cooking is made easy. Popular chef John Kanell is here to show us how to make chai babka and tell us about his new cookbook. Welcome, John. Thanks for joining us.
Sarah, thank you so much for having me. I'm beyond excited to be with you on the day my book launches.
Well, congratulations on the book launch. I am thrilled. And this morning, today, we're going to be talking about a very special recipe. So let's get started. How do we make chai babka?
So chai babka is like a cinnamon roll. It's a little bit different structurally, but it's a beautiful, pillowy, soft, enriched bread, perfectly sweet. And this one is full of all your favorite fall spices. It's actually one of the first recipes in the fall chapter of my book.
Yum.
I rolled my dough out. You might see some black specks all over it. That's tea that we infused into milk and added into the dough along with a lot of butter and a good amount of vanilla. After it's rolled out, we're gonna add our spice paste on top. This is brown sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, a little bit of ginger, and of course, some black pepper too. That gives us a tiny bit of kick just at the end. It's like a little bit of warming fall wonderfulness.
Oh, that sounds delicious. All of those flavors together, as you mentioned, that just sounds so fall-like.
This is gonna be really fragrant in the oven, but first we have to assemble it. So you're gonna add your paste all over the top, use a little spatula and just spread it out into a nice thin layer. You can leave one of the short edges of your rectangle uncovered, and then it's gonna be time to roll it up. Have you made a lot of cinnamon rolls?
I am a big fan of cinnamon rolls, and the few times I've attempted them, they haven't turned out that great. So I am watching very precisely at what you are doing. It looks delicious, and I'm sure it smells even better.
Cinnamon rolls are one of my favorite, and this is like related to a roll, but it's a bit different, and you're gonna see once we start the assembly process. This looks nice right now. I'm gonna give this a roll, and I'm working on a pastry mat today, which lets you pick the whole thing up, and nothing is ever going to get stuck, which is really wonderful.
Oh, that is amazing, because that's one of the things I think when people are making cinnamon rolls, sometimes they're worried about the mess. That looks so good. And I want to talk about your new cookbook.
Yes, this is, so go ahead.
Yes, your new cookbook just came out. What makes it different from other cookbooks out there?
So this cookbook is all of my favorite recipes. It's over 100 brand new recipes that have never been on my YouTube channel or on the blog or anywhere else. And it's arranged by the season. So every season you're gonna have things that you want to eat. In the summer, we're grilling, we're having all that amazing fresh produce and those stone fruits you can only get once a year. Those are the recipes you find in those chapters. But in the fall and the winter, we're having cozy moments. It's a lot of like spiced everything and things bubbling away, and moments for like nostalgia that you can taste too.
I love that. You're
really
painting
quick.
Such a picture. That sounds great. Really quick, John, where can people go for more information?
You can go to preppykitchen.com, and the book is sold wherever you find books. So you can go to Target, Barnes & Noble, Amazon, a lot of your independent booksellers, and I have a list of everywhere on preppykitchen.com.
Incredible. Well, it was so great having you on. Thank you so much, John.
Thank you.